Like a queen, like a queen upon her throne.
Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Vondra and welcome back to my channel, Typical Black Queen. In this video, I'll be showing you how I revamped my perm rod set technique and got these beautiful curls using only one product. Now before I unlock these perm rod technique secrets, we gotta become friends, sis. So if you want to be my friend, go ahead and tap on that red subscribe button below and turn on that notification bell. Now, let's get into it. My hair is pretty dirty with product buildup. I had on my lace front wig and the Got2b glue holding spray is caked up all on the front portion of my hair. This turned into a wash day, but we're not here for that. We're here for this Bay in a Can Mousse Deft Texture Foam from the Doux. With my hair still wet, I detangle with my Felicia Leatherwood brush first. Then for the star of our video, I coat about 3 pumps of the Mousse Deft Texture Foam onto a section. One of the keys to a bomb rod set of any kind or size is making sure your hair is detangled and the foam is coated evenly to the ends. Now, because my hair is wet and I know my roots will puff up while I'm drying, I 2-strand twist my hair from the root in rotation about 4 to 5 times. This will stretch my roots and keep them from being frizzy. Smooth out the open end of the hair with your detangler brush while holding it tight with your other hand right behind it. Now it's time to rod. Wrap the ends of your hair around the perm rod and smooth the ends out with the excess foam. Roll up some of your hair to overlap the ends, holding them in place. You can either continue rolling up in a spiral or twist backwards like I'm doing to have a corkscrew method. Secure your perm rod in place and then keep it moving. Now some things have changed since my first perm rod tutorial, but one thing that hasn't is that I'm still a lazy natural and I kind of get tired of perm rodding my hair. So what I'm going to do is flat twist the front and add the perm rods on at the end. Now if you want to flat twist your whole head and perm rod the ends, sis, go for it, all power to you. The style will be a lot more elongated and your roots will be a lot more stretched. Listen, you know you did it right when you end up looking like somebody's grandmother, and that's exactly what I'm giving right now. Remember I said I used one product and one product only for this perm rod set, and look how beautiful these curls turn out. Using the Mousse Deft Texture Foam from the Doux gave me soft, bouncy curls. They're not hard and they're not heavy, and my 4C hair loves it. Another key to the perfect perm rod set is the actual takedown and separation of your curls. You didn't do all that work just to end up with frizzy ends. So we're going to spray the light, weightless shine mist right onto our curls. This will give you a bit more of a flawless shine and help aid separate those ends with ease. Just look how beautiful these curls are and how easy it is to separate them even with the flat twist. I'm giving full-blown Michael Jackson Superman curl in the front. I am so happy to be able to find a product, one product at that works so great for my perm rod set, and to be able to update it for you all just in case you were struggling like me now that I've been natural for almost 3 years. You can find the Mousse Def Texture Foam and the Light Weightless Shine Mist at your local Target or on the Doux.com. If you love this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and if you really loved it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. See you later, curl friends!